Hello and welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're joining us. Today, we're tackling a massive, literally game-changing topic in business tech: data privacy and security in SAP Joule. Because let's be real, enterprise AI isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. It's our everyday reality. The conversation in boardrooms has totally shifted. We aren't just asking what can it do anymore. We are fiercely focused on how can it do it safely. So let's dive right in and see exactly how SAP secures your absolute most valuable asset, your enterprise data. Before we get too deep in the weeds, here's our roadmap. We're going to start with the great AI misconception, look at how tenant data remains isolated, and see what respecting your authorization scope actually means. Then we'll hit protecting conversation history and wrap the whole shebang up with the enterprise AI paradigm. All right, let's jump straight into section 1, the great AI misconception. It all kicks off with one absolutely fundamental question. Is our enterprise data safe? Honestly, it's the very first thing every single client asks when they start looking at SAP Joule. And you know what? It is exactly the right question to ask. Enterprise AI isn't just about flashy workflows or quick summaries. It's fundamentally about trust, governance, security, and having total control. So, what's the big misconception? Well, people usually just assume enterprise AI works exactly like consumer AI out on the open internet. They picture something like ChatGPT, where data kind of flows freely. But SAP Enterprise AI, it is a fundamentally different beast. SAP didn't just, bolt a public model onto your business data and hope for the best. No way. Joule is built from the ground up on strict enterprise authorization, total isolation, rock-solid governance, and full auditability. It's a completely different architecture built specifically for the corporate world. Moving right along to section 2, tenant data remains isolated. This brings us to the rhetorical question that literally keeps IT leaders up at night. Is my data being sent to public AI models like OpenAI? It's a totally valid fear, right? I mean, you've spent decades locking down your intellectual property, and the thought of it just flowing out into the open web because of an AI assistant? Terrifying. Well, I can tell you right now, the answer is a definitive, absolute no. Your highly sensitive corporate data is not being handed over. There is absolutely no hidden pipeline funneling your proprietary secrets out to the open internet. SAP guarantees that separation right in its architecture. Joule runs entirely through SAP AI Core, securely on SAP-managed infrastructure. In plain English, your data does not flow to public large language models unless you, the customer, explicitly configure it to do so for a very specific reason. By default, your data stays firmly locked down under your control. Okay, but what about the AI actually learning? Does Joule train on my company's data? People get really worried that if they ask a highly sensitive question, say about unreleased product designs, the model might learn from it and accidentally spill that secret to another customer down the line. Once again, we can totally put those fears to rest. The answer is a resounding no. The model is definitely not secretly learning your trade secrets to get smarter for someone else. Let's look at how this works in practice. Tenant data remains strictly isolated at all times. SAP promises that your customer prompts, the actual questions you type in, and your enterprise business data are absolutely never used to train shared foundation models. Your proprietary knowledge is just that, yours. It acts as secure context for your specific queries, not as training fodder for some broader algorithm. All right, section 3, respecting your authorization scope. This leads us to a massive internal concern. Can users see data they aren't authorized to see? Like, if you roll out this super capable AI assistant across the whole workforce, is an entry-level employee going to be able to just ask it for the CEO's salary? Does the AI magically bypass all your hard-earned security protocols just to be helpful? You can breathe a huge sigh of relief here because the answer is no. AI is not a backdoor into your sensitive files. Joule strictly respects your existing SAP authorization. It completely relies on your role-based access controls. It absolutely does not get a God mode pass to your system. If a user can't access a specific record in SAP normally, Joule cannot expose it to them, period. It inherits the exact same permissions as the human asking the question. But visibility is really only half the battle, right? What about taking action? Can Joule execute unauthorized actions? Does it have the power to just go rogue, delete a database, or approve a massive purchase order completely on its own? Rest easy. The answer is no. You absolutely do not need to stress about runaway AI making massive, unapproved changes within your enterprise systems. Joule is incredibly capable, sure, but it's tightly bound by the rules you set. It executes only within the user's authorization scope. And honestly, for any major or potentially destructive actions, Joule can't just act in the background. It requires explicit human confirmation. There is always a human in the loop, keeping you securely in the driver's seat for all critical operations.
Let's transition over to Section 4, Protecting Conversation History.
So, the next big logistical hurdle is usually this. Is conversation history stored? And who exactly has eyes on it? When your execs are brainstorming highly sensitive mergers with Joule, where does that chat log actually go, and who can read it? Well, conversation history is stored per individual user, and it goes straight into an encrypted, tenant-isolated store. This is a huge point for compliance. Even SAP support cannot access these conversations without your explicit granted consent. It's not an open book for admins or support techs. Your privacy is protected at literally every single layer. And beyond just those individual chat logs, SAP covers broader compliance on a global scale. There are regional data residency options available, so you control where your data actually lives to comply with local laws. Plus, you've got GDPR-aligned AI services, all powered securely through the SAP BTP infrastructure. It's an incredibly robust foundation. Finally, we've arrived at Section 5, the Enterprise AI Paradigm. We've gone through all the technical details, but it really all comes down to this one powerful thought. Clients are no longer asking, can AI help us? They're asking, can AI help us securely? Understanding Joule's architecture is crucial precisely because it answers that second question with a resounding yes. You don't have to sacrifice enterprise security for cutting-edge innovation. With Joule, world-class AI and uncompromising data protection are built right into the exact same foundation. So, what steps is your enterprise going to take today to embrace AI securely? Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. I hope you're walking away feeling informed, empowered, and totally ready for the future of work.
Subscribe our channel for explainer like this. Join Anubhav trainings for latest technical courses on Build, AI, Joule, BTP Wrap, BTP Cap. Thank you for watching.